Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. Having negative items on your credit report can significantly impact your credit score and financial well-being. Here are 6 of the worst items that can appear on a credit report. Bankruptcy. Filing for bankruptcy is one of the most damaging items that can appear on your credit report. It can stay on your credit report for up to 10 years and make it extremely difficult to qualify for new credit or loans during that time. Foreclosure. A foreclosure occurs when you fail to make mortgage payments, and your lender repossesses your home. This can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years and can make it challenging to secure a new mortgage or rental property. Repossession. If you default on an auto loan or other secured loan, the lender may repossess the collateral, e.g., your car. A repossession can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years and can negatively impact your ability to get financing for a new vehicle. Charge-offs. When a creditor writes off your debt as uncollectible, it's reported as a charge-off. This indicates that you failed to repay the debt as agreed, and it can remain on your credit report for 7 years. Charge-offs can make it challenging to obtain new credit. Collections. When an account is sent to a collections agency because you failed to pay, it can show up on your credit report. Even if you eventually pay the collection, it can still negatively affect your credit score and stay on your report for up to 7 years. Late payments. Consistently making late payments on your credit accounts can damage your credit score. While late payments may not stay on your credit report as long as some other negative items, typically up to 7 years, they can still have a significant impact on your creditworthiness. It's essential to monitor your credit report regularly and take steps to address any negative items. This might include paying off debts, negotiating with creditors, and practicing responsible credit management to improve your credit over time. Remember that your credit score can rebound, even after experiencing these negative items, as long as you demonstrate responsible financial behavior going forward. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.